Yo, what's going on? This is your instructor for the summer 2020. Yo, Math 050 instructor, Mr. P. And today's lesson, still in 3.6, we doing related rates, scale models, and proportions. So, Math 050, 3.6, related rates, scale models, proportions. First problem right here. Related rates. You go to the store, you see 6 apples. They cost $2. 6 apples, $2. Good deal, right? How much for 1 apple though? Sometimes you got to find a unit price. How much does 1 cost? Other times you're gonna get a group of them, so you want to know how much 12 costs. Well, if 6 apples cost $2, then how much 1 apple costs? Well, if 6 apples is $2 on at that same rate, we know 3 apples cost $1. So if 3 apples cost $1, then 1 apple's costing about around 33 cents, right? So let's find out why that's true. So if six apples cost $2, you divide both sides by 6, you get 1 apple is about 1/3 or 33 cents. And so at this rate, which is the rate is 33 cents apple, how much would 12 cost? Would you just multiply the 1/3 times the 12 and get the $4? Or you could just thought about it logically. You know that 6 apples is $2. 12 apples is just 6 double. So you just double the amount the 6 apples cost. So that'll be 4. So that's another way to do it. So you just double the situation, right? Okay, next thing. Proportion, right? Proportion or no proportion. Well, this is an example where it is a proportion, and this is an example where it is not. Well, look at it. So the original problem said 10/15 is equal to 18/27. Well, what I did was something slick. Okay, that was a mosquito. I tried to get there. Okay, what I did was something slick. You could crisscross this, but if you do, you're going to get 270, right? 27 $10 bills is 270. And 15 times 18 is 270. And here's why. I broke 18 up to what? 9 times 2. So there go your 3 times 3 times 2. And your 15 is 3 times 5. But you can see the 5 times 2, which is 10, and the 3 threes that you multiply to get the 27. So you know that these two things crisscross just like this will be over here. So you know these two are the same thing. So we know that they're both a yes. So this reduces down to 2/3 just as much as this does. So that's why this is proportion. The crisscross work, all of that. What about this one? The reason why this one's a no. You know. Hold on. Okay, why is this one a no? Well, when you crisscross, you get 2 times 8, which is 16. And then you got 3 times 6, which is 18. We know 16 do not equal 18. So you can also crisscross to check why it's no. All right, this last one. Suppose a model. So this is a scale factor problem, right? Scale factor. So you have a little model house where 1 inch is equal to 8 feet. You know, so if that's the case, and that's what's given, how many feet is 50 inches? So you would set it up like every time you see 1 inch on the house, it represents 8 feet. So that means 50 inches, and you got to keep the parallelism. That's why inches is up here and inches is over here. How many feet would it be? So if you crisscross, you get x equal whatever 50 times 8 is. But we know 8 $50 bills is 400. So 400 feet would be x. That is your lesson for related rate, scale models, and proportion. Little snippets made by Mr. P for the summer. Your Math 050 teacher. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can take something and learn something from it. Have a good day and be safe and keep your social distancing and all that. Take care.